All right, everybody, a quick video. Today we are installing the Harmonic Balancer on the Mitsubishi Eclipse, and I haven't seen a lot of people doing it this way, so I decided I'm gonna make a video to show you how to do it. A lot of people they hammer it, and then they use the bolt that actually tightens it, and then they go all the way in. There is a lot of tools as well you can rent or buy that help you do it, and it just, as you tighten the bolt, it actually pulls the harmonic balancer on there. But the way I'm doing is right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave this torch running on this hole for about 5 minutes, let it heat up. So what happens is when metal heats up, it expands. So all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna heat it up, and then I'm gonna slide it on there. So it's pretty simple, pretty easy. All you need is a heat source, and that's about it. So I already applied a little bit of oil or assembly lube or grease, whatever you want to put. So then I'm gonna slide it. I'm gonna slide this harmonic balancer, and it should go on there right away without any resistance. Alrighty, it's extremely hot, so be careful. Put it on there. There it is, guys. It's bottomed up all the way. Let's get you closer. So now I don't have to use the threads on this bolt to push it all the way there. Even though this bolt is a high grade, I still don't feel comfortable pushing it flush with the crank with this bolt or any other tool. So this method does not damage anything. You have to be careful only one thing. Over here there is a rubber all around. These two surfaces are meeting together. They're kind of glued with this rubber. So you don't want to apply heat there, because you don't want this to spin, and that's where you're gonna lose this harmonic balancer. So focus your heat only inside, and that's about it. So like I said, pretty easy method, does not damage anything, unless, like I said, you have to pay attention on here. You don't have to worry about stretching this bolt or even breaking it inside the crank. So like I said, it's pretty easy, and it works really good. I've been doing it like this for a while now. So yeah, like I said, a really short video, guys. Of course, if you're new, consider subscribing, like and share, and I'll see you guys next time. Later.